You have 59 seconds. And by the end of it, that fear of starting might not feel as real anymore. Right now, your mind keeps throwing the same questions at you. What if it doesn't work? What if people notice? What if you begin something and can't keep going? So you delay it. One more night, one more week, waiting for the perfect moment to finally feel ready. But the strange part is, the pressure you feel before starting is usually heavier than the thing itself, because your brain turns uncertainty into danger. Not to hurt you, to protect you from discomfort. That's why motivation feels impossible to find sometimes. You keep waiting for this sudden burst of confidence to appear first. But action rarely comes after motivation. Most of the time, motivation comes after movement. The moment you break that pause, even slightly, something shifts. Write one line, do one push-up, take one small step you can't overthink. It doesn't need to look impressive, because imperfect movement still breaks the cycle of standing still. And once you start, you usually realize the hardest part was never the work. It was the moment before it. Then one day you look back and wonder why starting felt so terrifying in the first place.